Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the 8th standard third poem 1.3 The Pilgrim. First, I will ask some question to you. What is a pilgrim? You know about the pilgrim? You don't know? Pilgrim is a travelers. Hmm? A travelers. First, I will read this poem and then I will give explanation to you. Stanza wise explanation. A pilgrim going to Lone Highway came at evening cold and grey to a chasm deep and vast and wide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. The chasm held no fear for him, but he paused when he reached the other side. The built bridge to span the tide. Old man said, fellow pilgrims near, why waste your time in the building here? Your journeys end with the close of the day. You never again will pass this way. You will cross this chasm deep and wide. Why build here at eventide? The pilgrims raised his old grey head. My friend, in the path I have come, he said, there followeth after me today a fair-haired youth, who must pass this way, to chasm which held no fear for me. To the fair-haired youth may a pitfalls be, he too must cross in the twilight dim. My friend, I am building this bridge for him. That means here poem is anonymous. Anonymous means unknown poet. Here not given the name of the poet. This poet is the anonymous poem. That means the unknown poet here. Then students, you know the travels. You know travels. Pilgrims means travelers. Travelers in Marathi yatra or travelers. Hmm. Then I first read the first stanza. I will give you some hard words. First word is write down your notebook. Pilgrims means to travelers. Hmm. Write down your notebook. Then next word is chasm. Chasm means to deep or very deep. Here spell is the chasm, but pronunciation of this word is chasm, not chasm. Here pronunciation of this word is chasm. Chasm means to very deep or steep gap in the or surface. Hmm? Then next word span to tide. Next word is span to tide. That means to go across the tide. Span to tide means to go across the tide. First, I will first only first and second tanda and I give explanation to you. Here next word a means here used you. And the eventide means to late evenings. I will first read the first stanza. A pilgrim going to Lone Highway came at the evening, cold and grey, to a chasm deep and vast and wide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. The chasm held no fear for him. That means in the first stanza, this poem is related to the old man traveling alone in this way, and this man, that means this man sharing her thoughts related to his journey or related to his life. And this poem is taught about the how to help to each other and how to help to each other. And the old man who is traveling on this way traveling alone on this way, and the old man who was sharing her thoughts in this poem. That means a pilgrim's going a lone highway. That means a pilgrim's the man. That means in this poem the older man who was going to lone highway. That means the man who was a traveler traveling alone this way came at the evening. That time is evening at that time. That means the traveler or the old man who is traveling on this road, the time at the evening cold and gray. That means at that time the cold and gray. Cold and gray means here symbol this gray. Actually gray is color, but here this word is symbolism of the sadness. Hmm? The pilgrims going lonely highway come at the evening cold and grey to a chasm deep, vast and wide. Chasm means a very deep, steep gap in the earth and earth surface. Hmm? That means this old man, lonely or alone, goes to the highway or travels on this way alone. And at that time, the time of that time at the evening, at that time, the cold and grace to a chasm deep and vast and the wide. That means at that time a very deep gap between the earth surface. The old man crossed in this twilight dim. That means this man is the old man which is crossed the twilight dims. That means the man who is the crossed this road easily, and at that time the chasm held no fear for him. And at that time, that means he passed this steep gap, very deep road or a very deep way. At that time, not fear for him. That means the old man mind no fear about this. That means in this first stanza poet tell about the old man or old man who was traveling along this road, and this man who is the sharing his thoughts. Hmm? In this poem the poet is unknown, not given here the poet name. Then next stanza, hmm? But he paused when he reached the other side. That means he paused when he reached the other side. That means the old man who was traveled on this way, and this man paused or this man stopped when he reached the other side. That means this old man reached the other side and stopped there and built a bridge to span to tide. Span to tide means go across the tide. That means this man reached on the other side of road or other side of way, and builds bring bridge to span to tide. That means this old man built a bridge to go across this tide. That means the man who is the built go to across the tide. That means in this poem the pilgrim is going to the highway. That means this old man who was traveling along this way at the evening, and at that time the climate is cold and grey. Chasm deep and vast and wide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. That means this way was very deep, very vast, but this road crossed the older man, and the he paused when he reached the other side. And at that time he paused when he reached the other side, and he built a bridge to span to tide. And at that time he reached the other side. At that time he started to build a bridge span to tide. That means span to side means go across to tide. Old man, said a fellow pilgrims near, why waste your time in building here? your journey end with the close of the day. You never again will pass this way. Hmm? You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build a here at even tide? The old man said, "Fellow pilgrim is near. Why waste your time in building here?" That means the man or the people said, the old man said, "The fellow's pilgrim is near. Why waste your time building here?" That means the people said, "This old man, why you are waste your time in building here the bridge?" That means in this message, in this second stanza, poets told about the how to help to each other. That means you help to each other. That means the older man who is the built a bridge here. The some people said to these people, "Why you are the built here the bridge? Your journey end with the close of the day." That means your journey here, your journey is finished close to the day. Here the close to the day means uh, close to the day means here death. Close of the death, close of the day, symbolism of the death. That means the old man, that means your age is, you are the old man. Why are you built here the bridge? And this close of the day, that means here symbolism of this close of the day. That means this symbolism of the death. That means why you are, that means you are old. Why you are the built here the bridge? And your journey end with the evening and close of the day. You never again will pass this way. That means some people tell this old man, "You are not coming in this way. Why you are this, why you are built here the bridge?" That means you never again will pass this way. That means you are not again passing this way, or you not come again this way. Why you are the, why you are the built here the bridge? You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. That means this way you already crossed, or this deep way, or this is a difficult way you already crossed, and why you are the build the bridge? Why build a here at the even tide? A means to here your, and even tide means to, eventide means to late evening. Why you are the built here the bridge to late evening? That means here the firstly I will told you, the old man traveling alone on this way, and they share his thought about the light. This poem is symbolism, not only not only the build of the bridge, but this is a poem gave us the message to how to help to each other. And in the second stanza, the older man said, "The follows pilgrimage near." That means here the some people said, you are the old man, and why you are the build here the bridge for the other peoples? Because your journey ends. That means your journey is ended after some time. Never again will pass these ways. That means you cross this wide and deep way. That means you already cross this way. You are, why you are the built for bridge for the other people at that time. Why you hear the even tides? That means why you are the built a bridge for other people. You already crossed or wide or deep way. Then this is the meaning of the first and second stanza. Students, hear the rhyming scheme of this in this poem. A pilgrimage going lone highway. Last first line and second line, there is a y, that means a, then e, that means b. But this fourth line m, that means c, and then sixth line c, and then also again e, that means there is a b, and also e means bb. That means first stanza a b c c, and then again next A A B C C B C C, then next B B A B B A A B B C C, that means A B B C C. Next second stanza is the A B B C C, that means first stanza A B B C C B B, and then A B B C C. Thank you.